Lego City Police Station 60316. Sold by Amazon/. Introducing the Lego City Police Station 60316, a thrilling playset for kids aged 6 and up. This set features a police station, helicopter, patrol car, and a customized bin lorry. The bin lorry includes a container lift and ramps for breaking the prison wall. Perfect as a birthday, holiday, or any day gift for young builders. The police station stands over 10.5 inches high and 11 inches wide. Connect this set to other LEGO playsets using the LEGO Road Plate system. Includes both printed and interactive digital building instructions for easy assembly. Playing with LEGO helps kids enhance creativity, physical skills, and confidence. LEGO City building toys adhere to the highest quality standards. Safety is a priority, with LEGO City playsets undergoing rigorous testing. Kids can immerse themselves in the LEGO City Adventures TV series theme. Bring excitement and adventure to playtime with the LEGO City Police Station set. Please click the link below for the best discount and offer.